Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we create this surface model in NX toy. Okay, let's start. First we need to create main sketch on XZ plane. So we need to select extrude and select XZ plane. Then we need to create two circles. Then we make dimension. This one, diameter 20.4, and the wide 40. Next, we need to create three lines. And select this middle point coincident on X. Okay, make dimension 26.2. Okay, and we need the length 93.5. Okay. Next, we need to use fillet and select this line and this circle. The radius 40 and this radius 25. And we need delete the point. Delete. Next, we need to create a line as a reference and the angle 50, and select this line, convert to reference. Next, trim the sketch, quick trim. Adjust the dimension. Okay, we finish the sketch. Leave the sketch. Console. Yes. We get the main sketch. Next, we need to create the side sketch. We need to use sketch and select on path. We need to select this path and this location is 0, so 0. Okay, you see it, this get at a point in the sketching point. We need another side get the point. So we need to use intersection point. Select this. You see it. We get the intersection point. This point get from the plane, data plane. Okay, you see it. We get the intersection point. Okay, next we need to create a circle. Then we need to construct the circle on this intersection point. We next find the point intersection point. Another point and find finish. Next, we need to change the surface and find the variational sweep. We need sketching code. Select this circle. Select it and this 0, 100% set soiled. Okay. Nice. Next we need here, create the shape, home. And this like a arc. No arc, we need like between 2 points, this point to this point. Okay. The diameter 9.8 and the Boolean unit. Okay. Next we need create this tube. Extrude, select XY plane. Then we create a rectangle and midpoint on X. Make dimension 8 mm. 70. This point 40. And we need to create a circle. Trim this gauge. Finish. $50 Boolean unit. Okay. Hide the gauge and edge blend. Select this. Turn 8 mm. Okay. The next we need a shell. Select this face and 2 mm thinning. Okay. Hide the change appearance. Nice. Very simple. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.